Hi everybody, it's Campbell from Joe Customs and Collections, and it's time for another review. And the review we're going to do today is Flash. So this is a figure that my brother had, and it would have been the same year that we brought, well, not we brought, our parents brought our first G.I. Joes. This isn't the same Flash, unfortunately. You know, kids being kids, we would have lost it, broken, whatever. So this also means a great deal to me. To brings back fond memories of when we were childhoods, and it would have been the Christmas of 1983 or 4. I've said it was a short fuse. So yeah, without further ado, buddy, let's see what we can do. And this is Flash version 1.5 from 1983, discontinued to 1985. And you can tell he's got the version 1.5, and I'll show you soon because he has what is called the swivel battle arm grip. And this is the XMLR A1 laser rifle or shoulder fire laser rifle and backpack right here. So normally it comes off, but I've absolutely super glued it on there because it's an actually bitch to sort of keep it in place. So I'll just that in there. So it's moved to one side. And Flash here came with a helmet and visor. So there's the visor here. I'll take the helmet off. Actually, I'll probably take the visor off first. So this is the visor right here. It's nice and clear. And that was the same type of visor that came with Flash aside, short fuse, Grand Slam, and Hawk, or as I like to call him, Colonel Hawk. So I'll put these guys aside. Flash also came with the helmet, which is standard to 1982 to 1983, and I believe Duke and Roblox had the same helmet, which was released in 1985, I believe, or 4. So this Flash here is the Solar version, or 1.5, and he was released in 1983 and was discontinued till 1985. So let's take a look at the sculpt, design, and color of Flash. And you can see right here, Flash here has got that sort of like resting bitch face sort of look on his head, and that shares the same look as short fuse, Hawk, and also Steeler right over here. But I've changed Steeler and just customized like a 5 o'clock shadow on Steeler. So they both literally got the same look. And Steeler's here, I'll take the helmet off. You can see here, Steeler here has got the same head. Let's short fuse out of the way. The same here as Flash, which makes it look like a twin. So that's why I gave him that 5 o'clock shadow, because in the comics, Steeler has got that 5 o'clock shadow. But we're not here to talk about the Steeler, of course, and short fused and Hawk and all them. But one thing that Flash does actually have in common with is Grand Slam, and Grand Slam also has a helmet and visor as well. So Grand Slam has got the face of Grunt and Zap, but he's got the same color molds, like the color padding and all that for on his uniform, except for Grand Slam's uniform is a lot darker green. So we move him aside. So you can see here that Flash here has the articulation of the figure at the time, which means he could turn his head to left and right. He didn't have a ball joint, so he can only go left and right, and that's about it. Had an arm arms swivel about here. You can go up to about this point, and about here. They also go out. And here's the swivel arm battle grip, which means he can swivel his arms around and also bend his elbow at 90 degrees. He was held together by a rubber O-ring, which could also do like a bit of a ad crunch if need be. And if you look closely, that belt buckle looks like the same as the Hasbro logo, which I reckon is pretty cool. So he can put his legs up about 90 degrees and bend his knee about 90 degrees. Oh, and also you can also do like a miniaturized split about there. So as said before, Flash hair's got brown hair. And I would say it's like pretty much like a, you know, generic brown. He's got these red pads on his arms. He's also got this red chest protection sort of stuff here. I suppose because it's a laser rifle, it might give out like radiation or whatever. It goes on like a silver harness at the back, as well as the red pads on his thighs. And his uniform goes all the way down to like his ankles. And it's kind of like a sort of a greeny, I suppose like a greeny grey colour. He also has brown gloves. And if you look closely, I hope you can see closely. There's like brown padding. Like that. There you go. You can still see like there's padding on the gloves. So the gloves go up pretty high. I would say there's almost like gauntlets, like welding gauntlets. He's also had these brown straps at the back on his boot, on the back of his legs, like where the calves are. And he also got brown boots. So going back to Flash's backpack, you can sort of see there's like a groove here, and the port is there. So it means that if he puts his backpack on, it fits in that groove quite nice. But it means that cord has actually go over or under. I prefer to go under, and his rifle fits about there, which indicates that he is actually right-handed. As you can see right here. Okay, so going back to Flash's visor here, and a lot of people say that I've actually got the visor upside down, but I actually like this look because it means it can still just stop from going there. It looks a lot natural for me. So we'll put Flash back over there. Okay, so here in New Zealand, we didn't actually get the title of G.I. Joe first. It first came out as Action Man. And I think about a year or so later, it then developed into G.I. Joe, the G.I. Joe brand name. But Action Man and G.I. Joe were all one and the same, actually. I think the Action Man part would have came through the European style or the Commonwealth. So since I believe New Zealand and Australia fall under that same category, that's how it was. And then a year or so later, it formed the G.I. Joe logo or trademark. I don't actually have the file card of Flash here, but I'll show you a few pictures of the file card coming up. And you can see here that's the Action Man logo right there with that. And there's the G.I. Joe. And I'll let you guys read that in your own pleasure, on your own time. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was great to sort of go back and do a review on Flash here. And as I said before, it's the figure that my oldest brother got. Not that one, but the one that was given to us as children's when our Christmas, about 1984 is my best guess. Um, and yeah, I remember having a lot of fun. Like, I had short fuse. The older brother had Flash, and my partner in crime, the Cobra Pit, had Grunt or Zap. I'll get the bottom of that. And we had a lot of fun just playing with them, and they were forever like awesome. Looking back as an adult collector now, um, yeah, it's a really cool figure. You know, the pop of red really stands out, but also the green still makes it like it's a military. Laser weapons, well, I think they do exist. If they're going to have to be, I believe it would be gas powered laser. Is my best guess. I'm no expert, and it never came to be. I'm just saying I've got a passion for GI Joe, and I'm doing these reviews the best I can. Um, Kiwi style. So hey, if you like that video, please hit that notification bell. Please like, share, and subscribe. And it's Yo Joe. See you, buddy. Oh, don't forget, it's hashtag gijoefamily, people. See ya.